Hello everyone, my name is Gianni and today I'm gonna show you how to add the bloom effect to your videos in DaVinci Resolve. So let's jump straight into DaVinci and let's see how to do that. So here I have a clip from an old project. Now the first thing to do is to duplicate this clip. So let's click Option and drag this up. Then select the clip on top and go to the Fusion page. In the Fusion page you need to hit Shift Spacebar and look for the Luma Keyer tool. Then right here you can customize how much of the image you want the bloom effect to affect. And in this case, I think if we leave the value to 1, this is gonna be a little bit too much. So let's drag this gamma to, let's say, 0.7. And then let's add another node called Soft Glow. And right now, if we just go back to the edit page, you'll see that the effect is way too strong. So let's go back to the Fusion page and let's reduce the gain to a value around 1.3, 1.6, so 1.5 is usually good. And what I like to do is also increase the glow size to something around 30. This gives your footage a more dreamy look. So if we go back now to the edit page, you will see that the effect is much more subtle. Here is the before and here is the after. And that's how you add the bloom effect to your videos in DaVinci Resolve. For more tutorials, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next one.